मैं समंदर हूं, लौटकर वापस आऊंगा. This was a statement made by Devendra Fadnavis in the year 2019, and in 2024 he is going to be back as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Viewers, it's official now. In just hours from now, Devendra Fadnavis will take oath as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. The new Mahayuti government will be sworn in at around 5:30 p.m. at Mumbai's Azad Maidan. Few more minutes to go actually, and ahead of the swearing-in ceremony, Devendra Fadnavis visited the Siddhivinayak temple to offer prayers and conducted a Gau Puja there. This is Devendra Fadnavis's third term as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. BJP leaders had unanimously backed Devendra Fadnavis when his name was proposed for the CM post. Now, after the announcement, Fadnavis, accompanied by his allies, Shiv Sena's Eknath Shinde and NCP's Ajit Pawar, met the governor. They submitted a letter of support to stake claim to form the government. That's the usual procedure. But the suspense on whether all is well within the Mahayuti continued until the last moment. While the three leaders put up a united front yesterday, there was a very funny banter as well. A video of the three of them joking about the oath-taking ceremony today is going viral too. I'm talking about the press briefing that happened between Devendra Fadnavis, Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar. There are still speculations that Eknath Shinde was not really happy with the deputy CM post. Shiv Sena has sent invitation as well for the big event, and the invite did not mention Eknath Shinde as the deputy chief minister. Interestingly, NCP invite showed Fadnavis as the chief minister and Ajit Pawar as the deputy chief minister, but did not mention again Eknath Shinde as deputy CM, leading to speculations that perhaps Shinde will not be taking oath today. Now, adding to the mystery, several leaders from the Shinde camp have said they are appealing to Eknath Shinde to take oath as the deputy chief minister. But now, finally, Shinde Sena leaders have confirmed that he will be sworn in today.
इसके बारे में हमने शिंदे साहब के साथ बातचीत नहीं की है, लेकिन हमारी मांग है, हमारी जरूरत है कि एकनाथ शिंदे साहब ने सरकार में काम करना चाहिए. उनकी लीडरशिप में लाडली बहन योजना रहे या स्टाइपेंड की योजना रहे, ये उसका फॉर्मेशन अपने महाराष्ट्र में हुआ है, इसलिए उन्होंने सरकार में रहना चाहिए. हमारी मांग है, हमारी जरूरत है. जो फाइनल करेंगे वो एकनाथ शिंदे साहब फाइनल करेंगे. उन्होंने सरकार में रहना चाहिए, हमारी जरूरत है.
लेकिन क्या आप सरकार में एज ए डीसीएम देखना चाहते हैं?
मैंने बोला ना कि जो निर्णय माननीय मोदी साहब, अमित शाह साहब, नड्डा साहब करेंगे सरकार में रहने के लिए, वो स्वीकार करके माननीय एकनाथ शिंदे साहब ने सरकार में रहना चाहिए.